Today, I'm going to make Dipsy from Teletubbies. It's still super easy to make. Just watch and follow along. First, prepare a pom-pom. Roll one end of a pipe cleaner into a small circle. Apply glue, then press it onto the pom-pom. Keep applying glue as you wrap. Wrap until the entire head is covered. Take a green pipe cleaner. Wrap one loop around the outline of the face. Then cover the entire back of the head. Keep wrapping until it is fully covered. Apply glue and attach two small eyes. Add a little blush. Next, take a short piece of green pipe cleaner. Roll one end into a small loop to make an ear. Adjust it to the right size, then cut it. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Take another small piece of green pipe cleaner. Apply glue and attach it to the top of the head to make the antenna. And the head is finished. Next, take 10 green pipe cleaners and bundle them together. Fold them in half twice. Wrap the middle section for about 2 centimeters. Separate the 2 upper sections to each side. Divide them into 2 groups to make the arms. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner at the top. Take another pipe cleaner. Wrap it around one arm. Wrap the other arm in the same way. Divide the lower section evenly into 2 groups to make the legs. Trim off the excess so both legs are the same length. Take another pipe cleaner. Wrap it around one leg. Then wrap the other leg. When finished, it should look like this. Apply glue to the top, then attach the head to the body. Once attached, it should look like this. Next, take a gray pipe cleaner. Roll one end into a small oval. Use it to make the decoration on the front of the belly. Apply glue and attach it. And Dipsy from Teletubbies is finished. Once you've made yours, show me how it turned out. Let me know in the comments which character you'd like me to make next.